like I said, Nyame Shiramu, for all the prayers that you prayed for us as Progressive People's Party, and then the support for GN.
But you know about so far.
Yeah. Yeah, I be here because near Kono, any baby I could do, and I see Anna. Now, to the question that you asked, me know some of these things I am in Besenka, yeah, be canny be brave because seven, me mammy, baby, one from a moody, but was it said also so a tanswa and a bomb because you won't go for be or my imagine say, just a mono on fashion. The obeya de just say basa ye name just say to create something de chaos beba na sanko for no so mo so bebre ya na ase de bia no senka ye ne onya views nse na de na wo ye no obi amfa ho a o kanka we duru ba bi no obejai because you will not be funded but ye can you know enyanko for mo push up. You see MPs said that Mr. Moeken I feel no matter how among a lawyer and Tariashe a push up at the courts. Now, a dinara, I was a rano, a year Juma was a, and we have no other way than to use the law because here I came. You ain't been coach Abronye no mono say the all kind one can you what did matter into my boy assume no so abobi am I talk unless we use the constitution and we use the law and put him before courts. Now say now can say man for me nu omumi nu so na this 7 because obekaya in NDC in MPP time there were issues yenya MPP wo kra wo ken kra no omo a main reason omo ka say the omode Abronye no political persecution here say almost cite Kevin Taylor say no so any day ade na wo no keka in some similar to the way ne can be na the on the enchino na yen prosecute no na there so one way or the other I say omumi no nyina na obia bi ba me masem ne say the fact say it said the na Mr. Moye can say the minority leader king ni obi tie who say oh na panyin kra na kan say anya na hwe dia then say na mismit maka bi obi akọ kan bi na wo de ye de wa begina enti say obi ka na wan kan yi na say police tia and I say the institutional bodies are also more regularly sign on omote ni eso mu a e wo say e di ugina mra na no. Now whether it is a fair trial or whatever that you may think it is in the in back case, because at the end of the day nyawo na obechere how aye nya waken kan asem ma ana mra no ye mra omo ana go fa by the law is the law nyesa na omo ka kire enti se mra na chiwa achiw enti I think I was listening to some of the commentaries so bizarre say omo kire baby potia mra na say eni kwa say yeah I mean yeah remind no. If you seek for bail, the bail no fine. Yeah, amount conditions. Now, if you are able to meet the conditions, you go. Kikiri. So he has been bailed, and I'm about 100,000 with some sureties. What the bar kofi. If you do otherwise, the Mrano will say a persecutor a chill near Duko Jinano. Now, me no near Hammy baby, you say, a name of you. 7 about radio. I mean, we go on other platforms and talk. Me obi am frame da even to say obi cry frame aka chem say o chairman and now call radio na small kan what one can you can say but we've been here for years nkumo ya adwuma for years debia etio radio is there to inform, to educate and to entertain. I keep and I clear unya platform na utimi di obi atama metie me and I free home na me say me say Abronye issues we you didn't go 200 years crime me from now. The issue with Duncan Williams, many boss me yem she me one time. I feel not me intimi ntie biu. The rate the ansem na all can the we no the near bra no di man na temo. In fact, she say me hu dwiri mia na me ti ase the very reason chese ade kropoti ya papa na ya okura that evidence na ni abri di that time e kan se ma kese sa kan ya dan kan lam ne kwesi so no bu fuyi na no so aso for so jan platform so no case in empire on so boy but at the end of the day obi mompaye o obi de ye do odo be gina mara no na roko gina mara no a na yenya party leaders to come and say ye persecute you na wo ka say ye persecute no and niema nsam na o kan no eno de on kan won we na that hypocrisy no ana chese ya senka ideally no waba yeah Supreme Court case election petition no what they say John do the lawyer call and they ask no kan what say we promacho asema me client ne kan no one can ye we dey mesremo what I say no one say why wanu no ho
ayiko otu
wanu no ho na nsem na kan ne ade na oyeye no one can ye we dey mesremo fanche enti ye be punish ne kra na reduce it ba wo no agane nsem na kan no enye once o so we follow case na wakaba kwa me ma obe kofie na kohwere ho ye ne yemra meto asem no so uduru fie na bosumi kra ma na wasa start for process sheba na de nyana no nko ho dia emra na wo man mi anyiso ana na nka mo ba no all these lawyers upon kroma and all that any afenyo makisa mu nyina mo ye lawyers amunim de sebi your conscience are working na mo ba na mo si o ye nua Abronye ne nsem na o kan ye no ebia ebi wo kra o kan sei ana o kan sei na mo yesu say ebia ne bufu yi emotionally wa ntimi an control ne ho ana ebia o kan abcd wan kan yi enti esre mo ye ma Akoma nya de ento o mani o ta say then uwie na ba be ka say bia kwa ye fa so ye di na asem no ebia entwa yi ana enko yi enti yenyisi a sabe ye nyina ne o man mu badwene ho se nsem an kofo yi o mo kan na wo de wo no ye na ye de ne koy ne de ho de emfa ho chese wo na mo ye lawyers yes face the law let's face it enye ntokwa obi mo obi ntin eyemra so uni mumra obi so ni mumra let's face it I mean now go be say would it be fair who Supreme Court fair fine so wo so uni mumra let's face it semra no e do ko gina prison a na say wo so ye lawyer na obi to be prison na go ahead and do it because eyemra because nipa no ye ade no wan hunu sabi wan hunu nyansa nka nchan say ade a wo kan ne a wo ye enya eno de wo yi atu nchen na wa be gina wa be ka che say ana political persecution na de etia no football na ebo enya politics ni bia na nyina ye no ade na e de ntimi ni di atem ade na e ntibia nso obi ni mu nsa ne enka fo nkyere wo mo o man na ye chichire no ye nyina ye man wo enye ba akofo dia enti se wo ye bibia at least ye nyefe in our dealings na utrawa kikansem basa ye niema basa na se ye de ko gina court we are found ye military regime kwa ya kase ya chi wa twa wachi maye obibi o court ne de wa ko gina ye nkansem no ye se we asema ode a we ye ntimi ma obe na wo se ye wonti ase afamara no bra be yi no ha dream ye se kukini jaya kika no so ebejai ti se mo se mba yire mo ho aka na mo di atem na mo di mpanyifo wo ma nyina mu atem a emra no so ne wo be di ni pepepepepepe so won't you say go and change the law
all right go and change the law doc I mean Chairman Quansah or put on simple or say emra no betimi ni wadi ni pepepe say won't you say you go and change the law
most of we